today this is going to be part 8 of the Super Dually build. We've got the 12 valve in here. We took the transmission out, took it to the transmission shop, found out that it has a bad tail housing, so they're going to change it out and get it back to us. I've gotten the flywheel machined, but today we're going to take the timing cover off right here and do the infamous killer dowel pin. You can pick this up, it was like $15 on Amazon. We're just going to take the timing cover off, put a little bit of Loctite on here, put it back in place so we don't have any dowel pins falling out and munching all the timing gears. So right in here, we've got the timing cover off. You can see this is the timing case. This little guy right here is the one that always comes out and gets everybody in trouble and falls off in the motor. So you can see right now, it's supposed to be flush. It's already kind of worked its way out a little bit. So I'm gonna take a punch, knock that back in place, take that little aluminum piece of metal, and we'll pull this bolt out and run that thing in with that on it. And then we'll be good to go, and we won't have any little dowel rods riding around in here. So what you just saw is we put the 12 valve kilodowel pin piece in there. It basically goes in right there. We put it to 18 foot-pounds, just like everything else. We used a little bit of blue Loctite. Yeah, I know blue Loctite, once it gets hot, it's gonna kind of break down. But that'll hold it in there, so 18 foot-pounds like it's supposed to be. We resealed the timing cover. We had to put the seal in place. I didn't buy the tool, so we're gonna kind of roll the dice and see. This is the depth gauge. I just used it to hammer the seal in from the backside. And then I just pulled it out and put it in the front and made sure it wasn't any deeper than it needed to be. And so we put it in. You gotta wait 4 hours after you pull this little plastic piece out right here for the PTFE seal to sit down on the crank. So we just barely put the harmonic balancer back on there so we didn't forget where we had it, because we punched both the crank and the harmonic balancer. So we got all that done, and on the next video we'll do the fuel lines or something else, and we'll be a little closer to firing up.